Hey there, in this quick video I'm going to share with you how you can perform a factory reset for the ROBOROCK S5 and S6. It's super simple, so let's go. The first thing that you want to do, you want to turn it on. When you're gonna have it turn it on, then you want to take the cover, like the top, you just want to open the cover. And then what you need to do is super simple. You're gonna locate the reset button next to the Wi-Fi. It's going to be right here. And what you need to do is this. You want to press and hold the button on the right side. This one, the battery or the home on S6. So when you press and hold it, why it's going to be turned on. And then you want to take a paper clip or something and press and hold the reset button. And while you're going to be holding the button for the charging and then for the reset, what is going to happen is that then the power button is going to turn off and then it's going to turn on. And then it's going to start to say that, okay, the initial version is in progress, wait for 3 to 5 minutes, you're going to release both of the buttons, and that's it. And you got it. If that doesn't work out, what you can try to do is that when you're going to power it on, hold the button, then while holding the button, you're going to hold also the reset button, and it's going to turn off, then release the reset button, release it, and just hold the button on the right side. And it's going to start like flickering, to the white, black, and then that's it. The whole procedure ends, and it's going to say you just gotta release the button on the right side, and that's it. So I hope this was at least a little bit of beneficial. Have a great day, and goodbye.